Let's compare two decimal numbers and determine which one is larger. We need to compare 0.475 and 0.625. Let's write these numbers and align them properly to make comparison easier. To compare decimal numbers, let's first understand their place values. Each digit after the decimal point represents a specific place value. The first position is tenths, the second is hundredths, and the third is thousandths. Let's break down 0.475. It can be written as 0.4 plus 0.07 plus 0.005. Similarly, let's break down 0.625. It can be written as 0.6 plus 0.02 plus 0.005. Let's visualize these numbers using rectangles to represent their values. The blue rectangle represents 0.475, and the green rectangle represents 0.625. Now, let's compare these numbers starting from the tenths place. In 0.475, we have 4 tenths. In 0.625, we have 6 tenths. Since 6 tenths is greater than 4 tenths, we can already determine that 0.625 is larger. We don't need to compare the hundredths or thousandths places because the difference in the tenths place is enough to determine which number is larger. Even if we had the maximum possible value in the remaining decimal places of the smaller number, it still wouldn't be enough to exceed the larger number. Therefore, we can conclude that 0.625 is larger than 0.475.